Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use rosemary and mint water for hair. This natural remedy offers fantastic benefits for your scalp and strands. Rosemary is known to boost circulation, while mint provides a refreshing sensation and can help with oil control. Together, they create a powerful blend that supports healthier, stronger hair from the roots. Let's dive into how you can easily prepare and incorporate this into your routine. Preparing your rosemary and mint hair rinse is quite simple. You'll need about 2 cups of water, a few sprigs of fresh rosemary, and a handful of fresh mint leaves. Bring the water to a boil, then add your herbs. Let it simmer gently for about 15 minutes, allowing the beneficial compounds to infuse. After simmering, remove it from the heat and let it cool down completely before straining. Once your hair is clean after shampooing, it's time to apply the rinse. Pour or spray the cooled rosemary and mint water directly onto your scalp, ensuring good coverage. Take a few minutes to gently massage your scalp. This helps the solution penetrate and boosts circulation. The best part is, there's no need to rinse it out. Just leave it in and style your hair as usual. For the best results, aim to use your rosemary and mint hair rinse 2 to 3 times a week. Consistency is key to seeing improvements in hair growth and scalp health. Remember to store any unused portion in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 7 days. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.